another day, and it's 8 a.m. I'm super tired. The baby went to bed at 6 this morning, but I'm not going to complain. It's better than most nights. So today is a new day, and I'm gonna try to see if I can do something today and take you guys along with me. I'm gonna try and do that, but I'm trying to be consistent, guys, because every time I start YouTube I tend to slack off, and I'll do really good and then I just stop. So I want you guys to help me to be consistent. If you don't see the videos coming in, please ask for it. Okay, ask me for it. So I'm going to wake him. He doesn't like when I wake him, but sir, you should be sleeping at night and waking up in the morning. So I'm going to wake him and I'm going to do a morning walk with him and get a little sun in. It's a little late because I always set to walk baby at 6:30 when it's sunset. But my baby lazy. Well, I won't say he's lazy. I'm gonna not say he's lazy. My baby he's not a day person, he's a night person, so he tends to be up at night and he wants to sleep through the day. So I'm trying to flip it. So I'm going to wake him up. So I'm gonna go. I might just walk him in my nightie. Guys, I'm in my nightie. This is my maternity nightie that I had on since pregnancy, and I'm telling you, when I say I love my nightie, guys, I love my nightie to the T. It's so comfy. I can't complain. So I'm gonna go wash my face, brush my teeth, wake him up, and then I'm gonna take you guys with me. I'm gonna try to take you guys with me while I go, and we get a little morning walk. Alright guys, so we're gonna do a morning walk. See me in bag. So we get me catch up, I couldn't know when we reach at the road. Guys, I'm so tired. But we gotta do what we gotta do. Mom job never ends. He loves the road. Guys, when I hear my dog, he's so awful. Yeah. Guys, so we're still on the walk. I was trying to walk with my nephews to school, to bus stop, because they're going to school, but I can't keep up. This baby weighs a lot. I feel like I'm weighing a bag of cement or bringing a block. He's so weighty. Oh my god. But I love it. I love me a fat baby. But let me show you guys the river. And it goes all the way down. Yeah, that's the river. But this isn't even half of the walk, because we wanted to go a little further, like bring them to the bus stop and then walk back a little further. But I don't know if we'll be able to do that, because as I said, he weighs a lot, and I'm still recovering from pregnancy, because since pregnancy, guys, I tore a vein in my heel back, so whenever I walk on it I feel extreme pain. So we can't really go far for now, but yeah, so let's continue. Greens for days, bushes for days. Welcome to the country life. Greens for days, bushes for... Guys, when I see the tree them pretty. How can you not love nature? How can you not love nature? Like, look at this. Look at that tree. Alright, yes, back to what we were saying. So I don't understand. He's supposed to be keeping my company and he's fast asleep. Like, sir, how are you keeping my company when you're fast asleep? Like, you're not a good friend. You should be keeping my company and you're sleeping. Guys, he doesn't sleep at night. So once the sun sets, he's up. But yeah. So we're almost at the bus stop. I can bet any money that they already left. But we're still getting my walk in. But guys, I know if I really want to climb the hill here though. Look at that hill here. I don't know, I'm gonna climb the hill. I'm gonna have to stop and have a pause. I'm gonna have to look on the hill and think about life if I really want to go up the hill. I think about life now. Should I really go up the hill? Should I? I really don't. I don't want to. I think I'm gonna stop here. Oh my guys, is this lazy of me? Yeah, is this lazy of me? I can't go no further. Guys, I'm gonna end the way with your mommy. I'm tired. Why look like we're gonna get a ride? We're gonna get a ride? We're gonna get a ride. Mommy, see we're gonna get a ride here. Samo. Me want it. Alright, Samo, go on. Exercise every day and I'm still not fit. I should make the ride gone. Exercise every day and I'm still not fit. The kids are hungry and I ain't got what I'm gonna do, what I'm gonna do, what I'm gonna do. What will I do? Thank God for grandparents. Because me, I could never. But mother, guys, I'm telling you, say, I feel lazy. I feel lazy. Oh my God. Guys, I'm really lazy, you know. I'm way too bad. I'm way too bad. But yeah. Guys, what do you recommend that I can use on my neck to get rid of? What you look fat like them? The weight limit for this, you know, 50 him already. Father.
There you have it.
The sign pretty. You know what I'm showing you know. Okay, no. I'm showing you the sign. The sign pretty. That's a sign to welcome you to our community. On the other river. Nice. The river, rain falls, the river they dirty, just a clear up. Yeah, be a nice and clean. Yeah, be a nice and clean. I'm a nighty. Make money every day. Never again. Guys, this is a baby weighs so much. Oh my god. I'm so tired. Let me get some water. This is oh my god. I'm so tired. It's crazy. You know, I drink that nice cold water and it just hit the spot. Yeah, I ate that boy. I ate that boy. Guys, gonna cool off. So check back in. Alright guys, so we're back and I fed him. He is fussy because he wants more milk. And I'm not going to give him any more because he picked all of it up, which means that his stomach is full, but he wants to be greedy. Yeah, take the wipes out, guys. Something and the wipes are tear up. What is this? Look here. We can't see through the wipes. Crazy. What is this? Watch out. The wipes can't even come out. Watch out. What is? This worse than tissue. Hey guys, so this is where I have to end the clip. The baby got really sick. He's not feeling too well. I did give him a few medicine. I do hope it helps and he feels better tomorrow. But don't forget to like, share and subscribe and leave a comment down below.